Health is wealth, and the one who has the health has the hope, and who has the hope has everything. A very old saying, but has a lot of relevance and significance today also. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Harpreet, and today I'm going to share with you a few tips on diet culture. Diet culture is inherently homogenizing with its wide sweeping health recommendation and generic weight loss prescriptions. Not only we are incredibly diverse on the nutritional level, but we are exponentially complex on the health status level also. Nutritional requirements are different for the different age groups, and our children are going to be the future of our nation, and it's a prime responsibility to give our nation very healthy kids, right? So I'm going to share with you a few tips to encourage your children and young generation to eat well and stay healthy. So first point, make sure that you are eating enough for the day. So number 2, that practice mindful eating. No matter what, if you're taking a single bite also. Number 3, don't worry too much about eating the rainbow. What I mean is, we often feel like that we need to take our plates with special colors. It should be having multicolors to include all the nutrients. So, but veggies are not necessarily very colorful. So it's a time to rethink, if your plate is super monotone, don't worry. Add the veggies which is available locally and make it super nutritious. Number 4, go more on the regular veggies than on super trendy superfoods. Number 5, don't punish your taste buds. Okay, do eat what you want to eat. Always remember moderation is the key. So number 6, intentionally include the social and the cultural connection between your food. Okay, so number 7th is cook from the scratch. When you're cooking, offer the variety to your kids, right? And involve them, listen from them the different ideas of cooking, irrespective of they know cooking or they don't know. They will give you wonderful ideas, okay? And give them the free chance, give them the free hand to do some experiment with the food. They will come with the super duper nutritious diet which you even can't imagine of. Number 8, reduce refined sugar in whatever you're doing, and add more fiber to your diet. Number 9, cut down on saturated fat and make a habit of reading labels. Number 10, always include fruits. Fruits in your everyday meal plan. There should be 1 or 2 fruits which you're going to take every day. Your water intake should be good enough. When I go nuts, I usually pick up some nuts. Okay, so it's good to pick up some nuts every day. They are rich source of your all micronutrients, your omega-3 fatty acids, and many more things. Hoping these tips are of some use to you. So in case of any queries, do connect to me. So stay tuned and stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you everyone.